It has been nothing but raining, and my wife and kid have had COVID while I have been escaping it. So I say we go outside and make a mud video.
Hey Riley, are you ready for Dad to make a video? Huh? Who's my good girl? You smiling for the camera as always? Who's my good girl? That's a wiggle butt. Let's go mudding, huh? Let's go mudding. Come on. I put a road in here the other day. I'm new to this province, so I'm just discovering this kind of mud. Oh yeah, baba. These are IMEX Red Rock tires, 1/10 scale. They don't even make them anymore. They're impossible to find. Look at this. Yes, this is definitely a type of terrain I've never had the pleasure of driving on before. Look at this. Can I get up? Oh, massive torque. Can he get up? Can he get up? Oh, he's in trouble. Oh, he's in trouble. Oh, it looks like it's winch action. Feeling a little exposed at the moment. Oh yeah, you're stuck in there, hey? Round headlights and all. I like giving it a good effort, but it looks like we're going to be stuck in here. When do you call it, eh? Now? Are you trying not to use the winch? No, I think I know exactly what to do here. I'm going to have to use my land anchor. You guys will laugh at me for this. I know. But still, it allows me to penetrate the ground fairly simple. Let me get that in there. Oh, as I hit a rock, how convenient. There it is. So funny. And then, I could have done that in a different spot, actually. Let's do it over here. Okay. Clipping it on. And then turning into it the other way, like that. Winching in at the same time and accelerating. Oh, I'm gonna back up actually. Turning the other way and backing up. It's just how you feel it. Okay, let's make this extra interesting. How can I use that back one? I don't really have anything over here except maybe a land anchor. Alright, let's do that. It is definitely raining, and this is why I don't put mirrors on a lot of my scale trucks. Just so when I do get into trouble like this, I don't have a mirror holding me down, but whatever. Always make sure to have enough line on there. So front and back. Okay, got it hooked up there. Let's go ahead and back that one in. So starting to pull that rear end. Okay, so I'm having to film, operate, and winch at the same time. I'm now pulling in the front winch and I'm turning into it. No, I'm going to back up a little. Okay, using the back winch to pull now. Pulling with the back winch. There it is. Oh yeah, mama. There it is. So no hands required. And the paint job is getting better by the moment. What a beautiful color of mud, my friends. This is just spectacular. And there was my anchor. This is what was holding me in there, hey? Just roughing it up. Okay, time to spool the winch cable in. This is why I don't care if my lights look scale or not. I just need functioning lights. And then unhook at the back here. Man, I've been rocking this truck for so long. This has helped inspire many people into the hobby. I hope it's inspiring people today with this video to get outside and have fun. Remember, it doesn't matter how old you get, it doesn't mean you get to stop playing when you get older. Oh yeah, baby! Woohoo! Oh man, just pure power. Boom! Man, it's starting to come down, making it real mucky in here. Ain't that what it's all about? Looks like I better clean off that screen for you guys. Woohoo! Oh! Right into the swamp. Look at this. First time I've been in the green swamp. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, pulling sludge behind it. That's okay. That was unexpected. Push the limits, baby. Don't worry, I'll take your spinach for you. You might want to have that looked at, sir. You ever find a place that you just love so much you don't even need to go that far when you're RCing? Man, I wish my kid and my wife were feeling better right now. A shout out to you guys. I know you're watching, Dad. Thinking of you right now. Hope you feel better soon. Everybody's down and out right now, but it's alright, I'm out here. We're rock and rolling. Getting my exercise, keeping healthy, getting some fresh air. Bam, 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 bam. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's a bad spot. Don't want to be digging a hole when you're climbing a hill. So we get over that hump. Come on, baby. Oh, 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 what a recovery. I cannot believe we made that. Oh, 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 oh. Let's try a different approach here. Up the side and off hill climb. Nope, more of a hole dig right there. Hey-oh. Oh, and the body comes right off. True monster truck style. Got hung up on my words. I think I was surprised it popped right out. Just 2 pins on the front that hold it on this big bad boy though. Yeah, baby. Well, as much as I want to play out here in the mud, I should go and check on the family here. Mud, 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 mud. Come on, buddy. Let's go charge that battery of yours. Oh, there's a big dump truck. That gives you an idea of how big this dump truck is now. And it's been in the sand a little bit there. You'd be like, why is it outside? I would say because this is actually how you get the real weathered look. It's fine. It's metal. Bum 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 bum. Ah, what a view. Time to go and get clean.